Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's video I'll try to test the 120 FPS gaming support test in this MI11X device. As you can see friends, recently the MI11X has been launched in the Amazon and which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset, and phone has a 120Hz refresh rate display as well, so which should be capable enough of playing the 120Hz supported games as well. So in this video I'll try to demonstrate you a couple of games which are actually compatible with the 120Hz FPS as well. So this is a real-time FPS meter which I'll be using throughout this test. So this is called inbuilt. If you go to the developer options, there is an option to enable this real-time FPS meter, so which will give you the clear statistics about the temperature and the what is the FPS meter as well, everything, and what is the available RAM, each and every category. You'll get this kind of cleared information. So I'll try to use this kind of real-time FPS meter. So instead of downloading any other third-party application, so I'm trying to use a default one. So in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Korean, and also don't forget to check the links in description for live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. So let's get started. So first game which I'll be trying to play is called Ace Force. So before that, let me try to show you the settings what I'm using. So this is a 120Hz display refresh rate, so I am using the 120Hz refresh rate as well, as you can see here. So let me begin with the first game, which is a Ace Force. So this is a game which actually supports 120Hz refresh rate. So you can see friends, right now it's going on. You can clearly read here 115 FPS and 121 FPS. You can see the temperature as well, 39.2 degrees, 39.8 degrees and 120 Hz, as you can see here. So let me try to begin the match and start playing. So in case if you're watching first time on this channel friends, definitely make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next couple of days. I'll be doing so much in-depth review on this particular phone. So even there is another method of seeing the real-time FPS meter. So one on the top, so by using this Game Turbo toolbar. So on the top you can see, but this will give you the real-time statistics about plenty of other things like the temperature. So that is what main thing. The temperature right now it increased to 41 degrees, so 41.1. so it started to increase little by little, as you can see here friends, 41.3. and right now I was able to play this game perfectly alright with 120Hz, so without any kind of issues. So as I said, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset, so which should be very much powerful enough to play this kind of games. So this is just mid-range type of game, so this game doesn't require much kind of graphic performance. So right now try to observe on this real-time FPS meter friends, so which will give you the real-time statistics. So I did enable the gyroscope sensor for the movement of my aircraft. As you can see, the real-time FPS meter I was able to get about 120 FPS, 121 FPS clearly you can see here. So try to focus on this toolbar. So both toolbars are really good. So by using this default FPS meter, you can actually see the difference on the top and one ear, as you can see friends. So this game actually supports 120Hz, so without any issues, and the temperature increased to 41.9, so 42 degrees. It's coming pretty close. So let me try to quit this game and let me try to open another game, so which is a Gateway 2, which also one of my favorite game which actually supports the 120Hz refresh rate. So you can see the real-time FPS meter as well, so supporting 120Hz this gameplay. As you can see here friends. So even the game toolbar on the top, Game Turbo, you'll be getting 120Hz clearly on the top without any problem. Overall, this is another game which actually supports this kind of 120Hz, so which is pretty cool. So overall, you no need to worry about the 120 FPS support in this phone, but only one thing you need to worry, which is the updates from that applications. So only a couple of games which are supported and couple of games are not supported. For example, this Minecraft is not supported at the moment with this 120Hz. As you can see here friends, I'm getting only 60Hz refresh rate only at the moment. So 60 fps as you can see here. So it's not increasing more than 60. Even the game turbo, it's not showing more than 60. So in other smartphone, for example Poco X3 and Poco X3 Pro, so those phones are supported with the 120 fps. So actually this game is supported with the 120 fps without any problem. Even there is one more game, so which is called Mr. Bo. So this is a game which actually supports 120 fps, but for some reason it's not showing 120 fps at the moment, friends. As you can see, it's showing only 60 fps. So maybe few of the games, they need to receive some kind of update for this kind of mobile phone and chipset, I think so. So that is the reason why still some of the games are not updated to the 120 fps. So maybe in the future they might get update, but right now 120 fps, there are a couple of games available. If you want, you can try these games as well in your smartphone. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned as well, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.